Hey, it's Jessie from Squeegee & Ink. We just got our hands on this new heat press, so we're going to run through an unboxing, show you our first presses on it, and hopefully explain loads of the features. This is the one we went for. It's the Stahls Hotronix 40x50 Auto Clam. So we opted for the caddy stand, which just means that when we're putting garments on, we can literally thread them over this platen. But the thing that we didn't think about is that it actually increases the height of the press quite a lot more than usual. So we normally had it on this quite high table, so we've just pulled it down onto these drawers so it's a little bit more manageable. The other thing we opted for was the quick slip protector. So it's this. You kind of put it on like a mattress protector, and what that's going to do is when you've got your garment on there, you're going to be able to easily flip it around really nice and smooth and not have to take it off and then return the garment back on if you're pressing both sides. Here are some of the features we thought about when picking this machine. This centrally loaded pressure is really important because we've got this like suspended upper platen, and it just means that it's going to push everything down in an even way when you're distributing that heat through the garment, which is really important for doing transfers. This machine has a digital pressure setting on there, so you can actually tell how hard you're pressing the garment. So for example, 8 is a really high pressure. It'll just show it there. The interchangeable platen is really easy to do. So say if you did have a couple of different sizes, you can literally just pull that little lever, and pull it up, and you can take that off, put the new one on, and if I can get it back, and lock it in place again. That just means you've got more variety if you're doing little bags or something like that, back up to the big t-shirts. This press has a threadable platen, which just means you can get that t-shirt loaded on really quickly. I'm just going to show you that. So you can pull the shirt all the way over, and let me press that. And then you can just do the other side really quick as well. So if there was a decoration on the other side, you could just twist it around, put it back, and then press the other side. So we've got our press set to 165 degrees, and as you can see on our heat gun, it's hitting that really nicely. So now we've set up the press, we've covered the basics, let's actually press something that we're working on in the studio at the minute. excited to have this new bit of kit in the studio to speed up production. If you've got any questions about it, please leave those in the comments below and we'll try and answer those for you. If you're going to grab one of these, we got ours from Target Transfers, and they've also set us up with a discount code that you can use as well. Please leave them in the description. Sorry. There.